What's going on out there, guys? How you doing? I hope everybody's having a wonderful day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. We're back with Zionix Global. Alright, if you hadn't checked it out, make sure you go to the site here on this screen, www.aitradingbot.info. All right, this is a crypto program. Now, but before we get into all that, we must discuss the disclaimer, guys. Zionix Global, nor I am not a financial advisor. I'm not here to give advice. All right. Zionix Global license provides access to trading technologies, okay? Use of tools do not guarantee results, so we're not here to guarantee any results or any income claims. Its individual performances may vary because crypto trading is risky. This is crypto trading, all right? So you could lose all your crypto. It involves risks, including potential loss of your crypto. So make sure you do your due diligence and make sure you use risk capital before investing in any program, for stocks, investments, anything like that, right? So this is risky. This program could be here today and gone tomorrow. Okay, I have no idea. We're rolling the dice. All right, I put my crypto in. I made a conscious decision. All right, and I use risk capital. All right, so if it wakes up in the morning, it's gone. All right, so make sure you're, using risk capital, basically. All right, it's all on you. Nobody came to me and said, "Hey, join this." I took it upon myself. So we're all adults. That's what we have to do. All right, so don't get in if you, have a problem with the possibility of losing your crypto. It's risky. So it's stocks and everything else, all right? So anyway, we had to say that, and that is the disclaimer. But we're back. AI-powered trading tools is what Zionix Global offers to support smarter strategies in the digital era. New program, they recently launched it, not long ago. It was another program. So far, so good. It's been going for me okay. No issues, okay. The, the Cloudflare thing, it has nothing to do with Zionix Global. I mean, I'm in other programs, and that was happening when I was logging into my digital programs. It was all Cloudflare. Just so happens, they use that as well. So it has nothing to do with them, but I saw people talking about that. But yeah, I've got some other programs, and when I logged in, those digital programs, it was doing the same thing. But hey, we're here, we're back. All right, so an AI-powered ecosystem that integrates advanced automation, machine learning, blockchain technology, and educational resources for community-driven wealth-building experience. All right, crypto. All right, we know it's a real thing. Crypto is not going anywhere. All right, so it's best to at least learn about it. And they have the training here to teach you, to get educated. Because, I'm new to crypto. 3 years in? Going on 4? When I was introduced to it, I had no idea. I just joined. A friend told me, "Hey, join this." All right, because, I had no idea about it. But now I'm knowledgeable and I know it's real. All right? So it's great to get educated. Educate yourself. So Zionix Global can teach you that. They also have referral rewards with this program. I'm here for the passive. I appreciate the folks that have joined the tribe. Grateful for that. But that's not what I'm here for. I'm here for the crypto bot to do the work, whether somebody joins or not, right? Because this is a passive way to earn crypto rewards, and that's what I'm here for. But they do have that model. If you're into sharing it with others, you can earn rewards in that aspect as well. Alrighty, Now let's move right along. And they also, if you take a look here, they also have another disclaimer here that Zionix Global provides technology, tools, and education. We do not offer investment advice. Participation in digital asset markets involves risk and should be approached with caution. All right, so they're just letting you know that once again. All right, let's move right along. So prior to Zionix Global, I haven't been in a crypto project in months and months and months, because previously, if you guys are into crypto, you know these things were coming and going, all right, like nobody's business. So until this one came along, I really wasn't interested. So I got in it because I saw that, hey, this is something new, something fresh. Well, the original program had been around for a while, the previous company name. But I like the idea of the bots, because we know we're in that era right now, AI and bots and things of that nature. So the way they have this, which is what they show here, trading bot license. Users purchase an AI-powered bot license for automated trading. So the system does the trading for us, the bot. They offer a profit sharing model where you can earn passive income from the successful trades executed by your AI trading bots, NFT-based bot ownership, tournaments, and rewards. All right. And the mission is to democratize AI-driven trading, providing individuals with access to institutional-grade trading bots, market insights, real-time trading, signals, and community education. Again, as I said earlier, they offer training and education, okay? Not just a platform just to, to park your crypto and just fall back. You can do that, but I'm saying they offer more than that. They offer more value than what we're typically accustomed to in these platforms. All right, so education, all within a sustainable AI-powered structure. All right, so community training and education program, advanced quantum computing. All right, next gen trading where all AI meets DeFi. Zionix Next Gen Trading combines all AI, machine learning, and blockchain technology and revolutionize crypto trading with smart automation and community-driven wealth building. All right, so I'm kind of just thumbing through their site. All right, and they give you the reasons why you should check them out. Proven AI trading bot, 24/7 marketing scan. Okay, whole lot of benefits that they show here. You can go check it out. With that link in the description. As they state, no experience is needed because the bot is doing the trading for you. Now, however, you can learn. They'll teach you how to trade as well. They have that training that will teach you if you want to do that as well. Okay. So, how to obtain a trading bot license and profit. Easily obtaining a trading bot license and start sharing profits with our streamlined process empowered you to automate and optimize your trading strategy. This is crypto, so it's crypto in, crypto out. Okay, that's what you will need is crypto. So you get your license, you create your account, get your license, KYC verification needed. Okay, let's say purchase your membership, choose a package. It's only what, 3 steps to this thing, and then activate your bot. Okay, and then it goes to work for you. Earn profit share from AI trading. The bot executes trades on behalf of the user based on market data and AI analysis. Users can earn consistent profits 24/7, which are automatically credited to their Zionix Global wallet. Profit sharing percentages based on the user's package tier. All right, very simple process. Okay. Very simple process. So let's go here. Hang on. All right. So if we click here, because I want you to see they have training and education hub. Hang on. So here we are, training and education hub. Shows you here where you can start trading now. Okay. Comprehensive learning platform included in every subscription. Okay. And I'll show you that. Why education matters. They talk about that. Is you definitely want to know what you're getting into, and you want to learn the market, right? So tiered learning tracks for every experience level. They have beginner level, intermediate level, and advanced level. Each track is designed to be progressive and self-paced, letting you learn at your own speed with new content added regularly. Okay, guys? So if you're interested in that, definitely. Real-world strategy tutorials, live learning events and mentorship. Learn from experts, not just modules. All right, self-study. Our community includes professional traders and educators who offer live mentorship, webinars, and private coaching events. Whether you're looking for guidance on bot strategy, manual trading, or market psychology, or mentors are here to help you grow with confidence. Weekly market analysis. So they've got this training. All right, weekly live sessions covering hot market topics and analysis. Interactive questions with pro traders, private community channels, recorded workshops for anytime access. Education that evolves with the market. Constantly updated, cutting-edge content, real trade case studies. All right, so it's more than your typical platforms that you probably seen out here. With your yearly subscription, you gain, and they tell you what you gain. You're not just buying a product, you're investing in your future, okay, of education. Ready to start learning? All right, so with that being said, let's go take a look at what I've got going on in my back office. All righty, let's see here. Okay, last time we were here, I actually added a sixth package, right? Let's take a look. Let's see. Let's take a look, see what we got going on. Okay, I'm a starter. Remember I told you, low end. I just got in, wanted to see how this thing is going to work. We have, let's go here. Let's go here. I think it's here. All right, so what we did, these are the packages. Okay, we're going to look at mine in a second. You can start from $149 for your yearly, okay, $99 to activate it. That's what I did. All right, so let's go over here. Yeah, I was on the wrong screen. All right, so last time we were here, right here. Okay, what was that, 9 days ago? 11/14. Was that 9 days ago? Okay, so that was the day. I think they're ahead of us anyway, the time. But I had $100 in there in the wallet, so I went ahead and just added another package instead of withdrawing it. And yeah, for 9 days. It's only been 9 days, and you see I've earned $2.86 on that. So yeah, we've got 6 in here now, right? Total of 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I initially started back on September 3rd with 131, and that 131 has, it says right here, profits accumulated, $47.94 in 80 days. The 174 I made 2 days later. It's 78 days, and its profits accumulated $61.35. Not bad returns. All right, this package here is 70 days old. 122 has earned $37.56. 117, 63 days ago, has earned $31.85. $100 29 days ago has earned $11, and that new one has earned $2.86 in 9 days. That's where we're at. All right, now I saw this. Looks like I got some referral. Like I said, I've only got, and you can see this. You see, this is not based on referrals. I'm going to show you guys. I think I only have 3 folks in here, and yeah, right here. See, it shows you. So. Yeah, the bot is doing most of the work, as you can see, because it shows you right here. Total earnings 192.89. Let's see what the referrals are, just so you can see. Deposit 674. You see what I mean? So most of it has been the bot itself. 111.55 I've withdrawn, so I've made 3 withdrawals in this thing. But it says I've got 47.01 in referrals. And then the bot itself, my wallet, I have you got 3 wallets: your deposit wallet, your referral wallet, and your Zionix wallet, which is what the bot is earning me. So remember I did, I think it was, what, $2 in there or something last? Or $20. $20. So $22 has been earned in that Zionix wallet from the bot. And we've got 47.01 from referral. But you can see it's not like I don't have a bunch of referrals coming in here. And it's not a lot that's coming in. Because look here, it says total referral bonus $231. That shows you I'm not earning from that. Alright, so anyway, my bot purchase total that I've deposited as far as crypto is $744. Okay, that's what it's working off of right now. And I'm at that basic package up to 1%. Remember, there's no guarantees on any of these, but it's the up to 1%. And so even at the lowest starter package, this thing is still doing what they say it was going to do. So I'm grateful for that. And so what we're going to do today, hey, I got some referral. I'm going to go ahead and withdraw this in USDT. So what you do, if you want to get started, you want to do, like we said earlier, you got to do 3 steps. You got to make your deposit. It's going to show up in the deposit wallet. You're going to purchase your license right here, and then you're going to activate your bot. Okay, the 3 steps. That's it. Very simple. Okay, so fund the account, purchase the license right here, license market, and then activate the bot. That's it. So what we're going to do is go ahead and make a withdrawal today with this 47.01. See, and it's 3% withdrawal fee. Okay, so they're charging a withdrawal fee. This is how it keeps the platform going. So 3% is going to come out of whatever I withdraw, and it could take up to 24 hours. See right here? It says up to 24 hours. And this platform runs 6 days a week. Okay, by the way, nothing on Sunday happens. All right, so withdrawals can typically take, and now it says it may take up to 48 hours. Okay, it used to be up to 24, but hey, so far we hadn't had any issues. We're gonna make a withdrawal. Let's see what happens. All right, this time. So we're going to go to the referral wallet because it said I had, see right there, 47.01, because that's what I'm going to take, 47.01. All right, and let's do let's do that. Oh, maybe just 47. Okay, yeah, 47 even. All right, let's go there. Click it. See what happens. Hang on.